Hi guys, welcome to new course about a JavaScript in which we will learn about JavaScript from starting and beginning point, and we will discuss all about JavaScript. You will be clear each and everything in the JavaScript. So it is very necessary course if you want to learn web designing. JavaScript is very necessary with web designing course like HTML and CSS. So this one the chapter 1 in which I will share some outlines different topics, what topics I will discuss in this chapter. There are many chapters for this course, but in this chapter what we learn in this chapter I am sharing with you. We will cover foreign topics in this chapter. For example, introduction, what is JavaScript, about different basics of JavaScript I will discuss with you. Applications, there are different applications uses of JavaScript, different ways to use, how you can use JavaScript in the HTML document, hello world program, how you can create a basic program in the JavaScript, and next, what is the framework, and especially what is JavaScript framework, white space, how you can give a white space, can you give or not, line breaks, etc., semicolons, case sensitivity, what means of case sensitivity in the JavaScript, what is prompt, what is a statement, comments, variable, reserved words, input output function in the JavaScript, operators, different types of operators we will discuss in the chapter 1. So in the next class I will discuss you about the introduction of the JavaScript. To learn more you can ask any question. We will appreciate you and we will support you. Thank you.